Oh, way to go, Bebot. Looking for the lead. Thunder Ribbon now from the outside, joining them. Entry number 7, that's Teen Tyrant. And there was a spill. There was a spill. Horse Nueve de Febrero. The jockey left unseated, GM Mexico. And going along for the first turn, Teen Tyrant. Thunder Ribbon, fighting out for the lead. 3 lengths back, Masaganang Ani, then followed by Bebot. Gold Bracelet, I Will Survive, Luck to Win, and Sweet Eliza. Passing the half mile, Teen Tyrant takes up the running by some 3 lengths over Masaganang Ani. Running in third is Thunder Ribbon. Gold Bracelet is coming closer now, then followed by Bebot in 5th position. And moving up now to take 6 is Luck to Win. Down in 7, I Will Survive, and Sweet Eliza. And inside the last 600, it's still Teen Tyrant. Here comes threatening danger on the outside from Gold Bracelet as they hit the final turn. Gold Bracelet now from the outside leads by line, followed by Teen Tyrant, and 5 to 6 lengths away Bebot, Luck to Win, and at the wire is all Gold Bracelet, Teen Tyrant, Bebot, Luck to Win, and Masaganang Ani.
All right, only the second choice in the betting.
57318 ang dating